In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download and install Capcut application on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and on an Android, first off, you need to head over to the Play Store and then search for Capcut. That's how we can easily find the Capcut app. All we have to do now is just tap right here at that install button and then just wait for the downloading process to complete. It may take some time depending on your internet connection. Once the Capcut app is downloaded and installed on your Android device, you can tap right here at that button which says open to open up the app, and also you can easily find Capcut app at your app library. To find it, just swipe up on your home screen, then search for Capcut. We can open it up from here by tapping at Capcut app icon, and also we can hold down our finger at app icon and then select add to home. That will add Capcut icon on the home screen, and then we can change its position in the way that I've just shown you, just by dragging it to another place. And that's all about how to download and install Capcut app on the Android. On an iPhone, first off, we need to head over to the App Store. In the same way, we can search for Capcut. We can easily find it at the very first position, except the ad. To get this up to our device, we just need to tap at Get and then just confirm the installation if it is necessary. We can confirm it by double-clicking at the side button, and also it may ask you to use Face ID or enter your Apple ID password. Once you've confirmed that you agree with the installation, you need just to wait for a while until the app is installed on your iPhone. And once the app is downloading, we can open it up by hitting at that button, and also we can find Capcut icon on the home screen, because on an iPhone, app icon places on the home screen automatically during the installation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.